No, a man is never going to respect you if. That's fine. That's fine. I don't think I need that, actually. I don't. Do I. Is there currency attached to the respect of men? It will be respect unless people hate your gut. Yeah, that's fine. I don't need that. Thank you though.
Why did they not like it? I have no clue. I liked it. I was like, she has so much chemistry with her ex. Yes, she had chemistry. Okay, when people drift apart or somehow break up because of some circumstance, like she broke up with him because he took her, it's not just that he was very calculative. It was also because he took her love for granted. Yes, Chris Evans' character took Dakota Johnson's love for granted. So she got fed up with him. Yes, she got tired of him, and when he met her again, when she was dancing with Pedro Pascal, and this is a very rich guy. Apparently the West Americans are mad at that movie because she did not end up with the rich guy. Yeah, yes. I'll tell you a very simple thing, and it might come off, I don't care how it might come off as, if it is a very rich guy, say, he is not doing the things that a normal person should do. Things are getting done for him. Do you think he will have any life experience? Do you think if he does not at least end up half dead in one situation or another, do you think he will understand empathy? Do you think he will understand anything at all? I don't romanticize richness, and I don't like a lot of Chinese dramas because of this reason, because they romanticize wealth, they don't romanticize the guy's heart. I think wealth only means comfort. I think we confuse comfort with being good for some reason, which is not true. So it's like that guy will not understand empathy. That guy will be like very used to getting everything done for him. He will not need to work hard, and I think that men should work hard. sorry, wait. I think men should work hard. Yes. Just not men, just people in general. I think that working hard is not a bad thing, or smart. I don't know. Work smart or work hard. I don't know. It's just that I won't romanticize that. So I would want to know your heart. Yes. All that is well and good, but like I understand why people romanticize it. It's just comfort. Yes, it's just comfort. So when she's dancing with Pedro Pascal's character, Dakota is dancing with him in this blue dress. There is no chemistry. How do I say it? They don't, like, her hand is on his shoulder when they're dancing, and when she's dancing with Chris Evans, her hand is in his hair, like she was caressing his hair with her hand. So I think that is very that's chemistry and that's intimacy. Yes. If you think she went back into the pattern, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, all these pattern people. Fuck off. Just for God's sake. She wanted to be with the person she loved. She was like, she got all this. Okay, when she started dating Pedro Pascal's character, she got all the comfort in the world, and she was like, she does not have to fight with him over what, money? Yeah, she did not need to. But she did not feel anything when she was with him. It's always the person who makes you feel things. At the end of the day, good, bad, worse. She even liked Chris Evans' character more because he owned up to his things, you know. Pedro Pascal did not tell her about the leg surgery he had to like be a little taller. Nothing wrong with it. If you get it done, chest or back or whatever, if you get it done, nothing wrong with it. But You should own up to it. Yeah, yes, he did not own up to it until she found out by herself, and then he admitted. Um, the title of the movie Materialist is apt on him. Yeah, yes, because what he used his money to increase his height, and when he says to Dakota Johnson, I watched it in Hindi also. Sometimes I do that. I watch in both languages to, just to make points. So I like that. So I don't know about everyone, but I do that. So he says कि I don't want a. He said it in Hindi by the way. He said I don't want a girl who is like जो मुझे चाहे types. He said I don't want a girl जो मुझे चाहे. I want a girl who has understanding of life and understands. Like when he said that, I was like, you. How do I say it? He was like, I want a girl to love me for materialistic reasons. All my materialism, like. Yeah, yes, that is what he meant. Yes, that is exactly what he meant. He meant a girl who knows my value in the world. Ki, okay, say if a girl does love you for your wealth, like, Wolf of the Wall Street mein, she loved him. Yari, that. What is the name of that actress? We will call her Arushi. So I will write her name बाद में. But she loved the Leonardo DiCaprio ka character for his money. He left his wife, by the way. He left his wife for her, and she leaves him when he turns into an addict. So she stays true to what she was. And she was exactly like him. So I don't see anything wrong with that. Yes. Yeah, but Pedro Pascal wanted I want to be loved for materialistic reasons. I want a girl to understand my worth. Your worth, huh? Like my materialistic worth. He wanted that. He wanted a partner. Yeah, they talk about it. He wanted a partner, like a. Decentering him. Chris Evans' character. So Chris Evans' character in Materialist, he regrets that he let Dakota Johnson down, and he when they broke up, when they drifted apart, so he regrets taking her love for granted. Yes, he regrets taking her love for granted, and he understands there is no winning and losing when two people drift apart. Yeah, he understands that. He is very sweet guy. He is. And he owns up to his things, he owns up to the fact that he is he was a part-time waiter, and he where he was living, to how he was not hiding those things. Like Pedro Pascal's character was hiding his car. Yes, Chris Evans' character was not hiding his poverty. He owned up to it. He was comfortable with his flaws, and he was still working, So I'm not going to get into debate of who deserved the girl and all that. I don't know all that, but I think people make choices, and I think Dakota Johnson's character also had her set of regrets. So she also wanted to try again with Chris Evans. Yes. So she, even though she got all this comfort and wealth with Pedro Pascal, she could not love him, because how will you love somebody who is hiding from himself, who is not just that scar on Pedro Pascal's thigh, it his scar is his insecurity, right? He was not that tall, and he was women are into what tall men, so he wanted to be taller. And what is insecurity of Chris Evans? So Chris Evans' insecurity was that he was not that rich, so he was he was working and he was doing his things, but he owned up to his insecurity, and he loved Dakota Johnson's character with his heart. I'm not saying Pedro Pascal did not like her, I'm saying he did like her. But if you can't accept your own flaws, it's just your heart is going to, if it is not going to break properly, you will not be able to love properly. I don't know how to say it. Sometimes I think our hearts break for us to love better. Like, it is very wrong. It is. But for us to be authentic, humans are very fickle. Yes, so it's that. And Pedro Pascal's heart breaks when she's like, I want to break up with you, and he's like, it's because of my leg surgery. This is the first thing he thinks, but he does not pay attention much to what she was saying. I don't think so he accepted her reasoning. I think that also, like, when she got stressed out, okay, how did I know that she was in love with Chris Evans' character? When she got stressed out, so she called Chris Evans and she did not call Pedro Pascal, which is very wrong, which is like emotional cheating if you ask me. Just because he was her ex. It's not that they were friends. If they were friends, I would understand that. I would. Not against it. But he was her ex. That is not very bright. Just that is not very cool, and I think she emotionally cheated on the Pedro Pascal's character. Yes. Because you clearly have feelings for what Chris Evans, and you are like leading him on. She said yes immediately. So when she started seeing Pedro Pascal's character, she was like, things are available, but why can't I love you? Yes, she was confused. Ki matlab, why can't she love him? Chris Evans' character gets to redeem. Yeah, he gets to redeem his like mistake. So when she calls him, when she got bothered by something, I don't want to spoil the movie much, but already did spoil it enough, but still, So she got bothered by something and she called her ex, Chris Evans. So she called him, and he was like, whatever it is, I'm here. And he gets to have his redemption. Yes, he got to have his redemption, and when they broke up, so she shouted, ki, what did you forget? Did you forget that you love me? So I think that he valued what she said to him, and he held on to her memories, and he held on to what she said, and when he expressed his love for her again, so he tells her that, and now I will not take you for granted now. Like, yeah, yes. They all three, okay, Harry would like date. Harry is the name of Pedro Pascal's character. I think the title of the movie is based on him completely. I also loved that scene a lot where this guy in his mid-30s, early 40s, he's complaining that I don't like dating younger girls like 21, 22. They don't understand me. So Dakota Johnson says, so I will find somebody for you in their 30s. So he's like, he makes such a bad face. He's such a... If you want to date younger women, be real with it. So he was not very real with it. He was like, 24, 25. That scene was so funny where people were like placing all the boxes. Yes, so people were naming out all the things that they want in a person and everything else. So I thought that was I found it very funny. I found that scene very, very funny, and especially because I watched it in Hindi. So it was very different. I will probably like add that clip in the end. I like... Which character did I like in this? I'll tell you what I did not like. I did not like Dakota Johnson's lipstick. Yes, I did not. I love her lip shade in 50 Shades of Grey Darker. She has this really beautiful eyes, and that brown. It was not even brown, a little like more dull than brown color. Brown, that is trending. That lipstick is trending currently. No issue. I have no issue with it. Wear what you like. But it just washed away all the color from her skin, her face. I think that was. She was wearing the same lipstick on every outfit. I felt bothered by it. Yes, I did. Because I think sometimes different lipstick looks good on different outfits. So maybe that's why. Just like on the blue dress that she was wearing. If she would wear a red lip, it would look so beautiful. So beautiful. Not the orange type of red, but the crimson red. Yeah, crimson red would complement her like blue dress a lot. Or say if she wanted to go for a nude shade, to like peach, it would like highlight color on her face. So I did not like. I did not like that she was wearing brown lipstick. Like washed away all like it just washed all the colors from her face. Yeah, like it did not look good on her. It did not look good on her. I did not like it. Sometimes like lighter shades look better. It looks more sensual. I think sensual is more attractive than sexual. Sexual is very obvious. So I think say if she would wear a like pink lipstick on that blue dress, it would look so beautiful, bro. I did not like that. This was my issue with the movie. I don't know why Americans don't love it. They did not love it because she did not end up with the richer guy. Yeah, yes. The rich guy, he did not love her. He did not. He valued her. He valued her and she was intelligent. She was smart. Like people have those people who came up to Dakota Johnson for like those characters who came up to Dakota Johnson for pitching them with or like set them up with like different people. So they had these boxes and everything. So Pedro Pascal was one of them. She ticked off his boxes, like whatever he was looking for in a person. So she ticked off all those boxes, but he did not love her. Yeah, yes, like you either feel something with somebody or you don't. I'm glad that she chose Chris Evans. Yeah, I'm glad because they loved each other, you know. It matters. It matters a lot. And I saw the characters as they are. So I don't get lost in illusions that easily. So maybe that's why. If I see any other like review, she fell back into her patterns and stuff, she made no progress. She hugged Chris Evans' character when she saw him again in front of everybody. She hugged her. She hugged a waiter. She was very conscious of this like wealth thing. This is how people should behave. This is how people should not behave. This is what I would do. This is what I would not do. She had no empathy. She developed empathy in absence of Chris Evans' character, and Chris Evans developed like he actually regretted losing her. He actually regretted losing her love. So he actually wanted to redeem himself. So it goes both ways. They actually loved each other. And he knew that she was actually getting hurt with him. Yes. So if I see one more person saying she fell back into her patterns, and shut the fuck up, bro. They loved each other. Like Dakota Johnson and Chris Evans' character actually loved each other. There is no chemistry between Pedro Pascal and Dakota Johnson's character. They are just talking like they have to do a group project together. There is no chemistry. There was no chemistry. I don't see it. They just meet and they just talk and then they just like I don't know. It just he did not move her heart. Yes, he did not move her heart, and she did not move Pedro Pascal's heart. So he just saw her as this shiny object beside him. Yes. I really like that still from the movie where Chris Evans and Dakota Johnson are sitting. Even when they are sitting, there is so much chemistry. Even when they are staring at each other, even when they are not talking. I don't know why this whole hate on materialist movie. There is a lot of hate going on for the movie because she did not end up with the rich guy. Just- and the same people would hate her if she did end up with the rich guy, by the way. Just you all decide what you all want. It's just very funny. I find it funny, but movie was okay. I mean, I did get bored a little bit because of her lipstick. Just it does not suit you. She has so many people. She's surrounded by so many women. Not one person is telling her your lipstick does not look good. It is washing away the colors of your face. But if it is trending, so everybody wants it. So I don't know. I hope she was wearing a different lipstick. Just yes. I don't care what guy she ended up with. Honestly speaking, bro, I'm mad about the lipstick because that brown shade did not look good on her, and that blue dress. That blue dress and her look was very beautiful. She looked like a goddess. She looked like a goddess in that blue dress, and uh, if she wore a pink shade lipstick, like a little dark pink types, not vibrant dark pink, but like purplish dark pink. Yeah, purplish dark pink. It would have looked so beautiful, but instead she went for that brown lipstick. Ah, I get it. It is trending, but it did not look good. I don't care if she ended up with Chris Evans or Pedro Pascal. Get her lipstick right the next time. Just yes, it's just I just you all have so much budget. You all got Pedro Pascal and Chris Evans on board. They demand a lot of money, you know. They both of them, and also like Dakota Johnson, she also, as she should. Yes, as she should. But you got Chris Evans, Pedro Pascal, and Dakota Johnson on board for this movie, and you can't find a good lipstick for her. I'm mad about the lipstick. I will start hate on that lipstick. Yes, I'm not seeing कि अच्छा. She should not wear it. No, it's she should. How do I say it? Just it did not look good on that outfit, and they put the brown lipstick on every outfit, and it just felt boring. Yeah, yes, it felt boring. So this is why I love Turkish dramas, because there is a different the Turkish stylists are best. Can I say it again? Turkish and Turkish and Taiwanese, yeah, Turkish and Taiwanese stylists are best. They don't just put everything that is going on, like that is trending and everything. They use their own discernment. Does it actually look good with this outfit, or if it is just trending? So I like that.